Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF file to DeepSeek Chat. First, head over to chat.deepseek.com and log into your account. Once you're inside the chat section, look for the little paperclip icon next to the message box. That's the upload button. Click on it. A new window will pop up. Just browse your computer, find the PDF file you want to upload, select it, and hit open. Once the file is uploaded, you can ask DeepSeek to do whatever you want with it. For example, you can type, "Can you give me an overview of this file?" and then click send. Depending on your file size, DeepSeek might take a moment to process it. Once done, you'll get a summary or analysis based on your request. And that's it. That's how you upload a PDF file to DeepSeek Chat. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial.